हाँ.
Ma'am, Happy New Year.
Thank you, beta. Happy New Year to all of you. And now we will start. As in my last day video, I have given the remaining questions of the textbook. Whatever the question we are given in the textbook, like in this chapter, I have given you the rest question. So, have you seen last day? You have seen the video of my class. So, if not, then you go through it, because page number 115 and 16, two questions were there in the textbook which I have given in the video. And now these three answers also given. So, this is the implement. This implement is called, or this tool is what it is called. Name in the chapter is, it is Khouriej, isn't it? Now,
Yeah. It's terrible.
in your kindly mute your speaker on and this is in your area, it is called langol. And what is the work of this Khouriej or the langol? To plow the field. It is useful for plowing the field. Now next figure also I have also given you in your last day video, but still I am repeating. It is Khunti in the book. The name of this implement is given Khunti, and in our area it is called Kudal. And what is the work? It loses the soil. It loses the soil. And last one is, yes, it is Kurpi. It is Khunti. Khunti in the book. Okay. And now last one is the chapter. It is Ilej. Ilej is actually in our common language, it is called Boti. And work, it is used to cut the crop and the vegetables. So these all answers I have already given in my last day video. So just go through the video and copy it down from the video. Once I have repeated, because one page number 115 and 116, both question answers are given in my video last day. And today we will write the answers of activity book, or the activity book of this was form. So take out your activity book, and we will I have written the answers, so you will get the answers from here. Okay, so see the first was form, page number 56. Okay, was form, page number 56. So the first fill in the blank is given here. Vasva's father is a, see here, are you seeing the thing? Is it clear to you? Board is clear? It is farmer. Okay, fill in the blanks. First one is farmer. And the second question, or the second one is given here. Weeds are the plants that grow in fields and garden without being. So what it would be? Who will write the answer? Who will write the answer? Without planted. Okay. So the answer is planted. Very good, Devoshmi. It is planted. Third one is, don't write the answer before unless and until I ask the question. Dash is used to cut the dried leaves from top of the onion. It is Ilej. Okay. So it is Ilej. D is, dash also comes up along with the sprout. So it should be weeds. Next one is, E is, dash is used to lose the soil. So it is Khunti. Okay. Khunti is used to lose the soil. Kindly mute your speakers, because lots of noises are coming. Kindly mute your speaker. Somewhere some knocking sound is constantly coming. So I'm requesting here to please mute your speaker. Next one is write true and false statement. First one is A, it is not necessary to drop the right amount of seed at a regular distance. So it is a false statement. Okay, first one is a false statement. Second one is, along with onion, plants, wheat also come up. So it is a true statement. C is when leaves start turning yellow and drying up, that means the onion are ready to taken out. So C is also a true statement. Now the D statement C, when everyone at home is not happy because this time the onions are not big and healthy. So it is a false statement because this time they all were very happy to see the size of the onions. So they all were very happy. Now it is a false statement. And E is Illage is used to cut the dried leaves from the top of the onion. So it is a true statement. Devoshmi has given all the correct answer very fast, and these all are the correct answer. Anurag, why you are not seeing the board? Everybody is seeing the board. Okay. Maybe there is some problem regarding your board. Now see this picture and you will tell me what is it. Match the picture in the column A with their names in the column B. So A is a person is plowing the field. So what it should be? What is the name of the langol? Langol is also called, what it is called? Where is A? Yes, khuriej with bullock. So it is fourth one. Now the B is a kodal. Kodal is called, what is it is called? It is khurpi. Okay. Then C is a ilyech and D is again khunti. Yes, khunti or yes, it is khurpi and that one was the khurpi. So that is khunti and khurpi. You write yes, A with 4, B with 1, C with 2 and D with 3. So you just write it down. Now we will write the question answers. See here, answer the following question. Question number A, what is the use of khunti? So write down, what is the use of khunti? Write down, khunti is used to dig the soil. Khunti is used to dig the soil. So soil becomes loose, aerated and soft. Again I am repeating, khunti is used to dig the soil. So soil becomes loose, aerated and soft. Second question is given here. Why should the weeds be? What is the process of sowing seeds? Question 2 is, what is the process of sowing seed? So write down, in the process of sowing seeds, it is necessary to drop the right amount of seeds at a regular distance so each seed gets right amount of air, water and sunlight. So they have to maintain the distance, right distances, they have to create the right distances so each and every seed will get the proper amount of air, water and sunlight. So this is the process. They have to maintain the distance from one seed to another. And what is the reason for it? I have written here. In the process of sowing seeds, it is necessary to drop the right amount of seeds at a regular distance so each seed gets right amount of air, water and sunlight. Okay. Now the third answer, why should the weeds be removed? So I will write it down. I am just removing the first answer. So the answer is, question is, why should the weeds be removed? So write down, removal of weeds removal of weeds is essential removal of weeds is essential to prevent the sapping of water and nutrients by them. So why it is essential to remove the weeds? So answer is removal of weeds is essential to prevent the sapping of water and nutrients by them. Sapping means taking and sucking of the water. Suppose if weeds are there, then whatever the water and nutrients are present in the ground, they will take the nutrients and water from the ground, and the seeds will have less amount of water and nutrients whatever present in the soil. Maybe it is through the fertilizers, whatever the minerals are present in the soil, they will taken by weeds. So we have to remove the weeds, so each and every seed will get the good amount of the minerals and water, sufficient water. That's why it is essential to remove the weeds. So removal of weeds is essential to prevent the sapping of water and nutrients by them. Otherwise, they will sap up the nutrients and water. They will take the water and nutrients. That's why it is essential to remove. Write down. Don't talk, please. Don't speak up, and don't please mute your speaker. Then you can talk to your other members. Write fast so that we can move towards the next question. The next question is, why should onions be taken out at the right time? So I am just removing the B answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Answer D. What is the question D? Why should onion be taken out at the right time? So write down, onions should be onions should be taken out at the right time. Otherwise, onions would rot in the ground. Okay, so onion should be taken out at the right time, otherwise onions would rot in the ground. Once the leaves of the onions become yellow, That means onions are ready. Whatever the amount of food should be stored, they have been stored in the onions. So now it is the right time to take them out. If once we will not take them out, these onions will be just rot inside the ground, and it would be rotten and it will spoil. So the whole or the total hard work will become spoiled. So this is the answer. Onions should be taken out at the right time, otherwise onions would rot in the ground. So I hope you have written the answer, and the time is getting over, so you kindly give your presence, if kindly give your attendance, so who are present, at least I can write their names that they are attending the class. Thank you and have a nice day. Kindly write down your answers and kindly give your presence.